So hi, my name is Living Out. So excited to make my presentation on the project I'm working on. I'm so happy also to be part of this cohort or participating in this hackathon. Thank you for the opportunity. The name of the project I'm working on is called Bezalel. So Bezalel is basically a drawing app, standalone drawing app. So it allows you to enhance your object, your drawings, and lets you to stream it. And so it basically uses Daydream AI for that functionality for enhancing. And of course, it being a standalone drawing app, it allows you to perform different drawing operations on it. And then lastly, streaming, um, being a back and forth on it, but it's a feature that is going to be pushed forward later due to the challenges I experienced while trying to get the streaming up and running. I'm going to push that for later, but on Bezalel, you'll be able to stream, you'll be able to invite others, collaborate with others, draw together with other people on a particular project. So you can bring them, you can share a link to other people, and they will come in and they will draw together with you live. And so one interesting use case is for schools, is for learning environments where an instructor will can draw and make illustrations right off from Bezalel. So that's very, very interesting. So we'll be jumping straight into the drawing board. So this is our live canvas. So that's it. So once you go in there, our canvas now is divided into different sections. So we have different layers. So we have this layer, the header layer. So this carries all our enhancement tools, or rather enhancement input. So here I can enhance a specific object that I've selected, and I can generate an image from scratch. And then here I can invite other people to see what is happening here. And so we have the color palettes, and we have arrangements, and we have sizes and things like that. And then here we have our layer, and then we have another we have a menu here, menu, and we have pages, have menu, so yeah, our menu. So basically these are action, so we can perform a lot of arrangement, alignment actions here. So here we have a mini map that gives us an idea of where we are on the map on the canvas. Then we have our drawing tool here, and then most importantly, due to time constraints, I had to discard the earlier iterations I've had. I made a lot of iterations and got here and making use of TL Draw to achieve this. And so such a cool tool. And so here is our infinite canvas. So I'll just jump in straight now to illustrate. So you can draw with our pen. So now we've drawn something, an object, we don't know, but this object has an eye, and it has a second eye, and then it has a mouth. Obviously, it's a smiling object, so but I want to call it a potato guy. So that's it, and so you can choose to give it color. That's how cool it is. You can play with the opacity, choose to make it larger, extra large. So that's how cool. So we give this guy a color here. Yeah, so that's basically what it does. So due to still in development, one of the challenge I'm having is that I am not seeing my layers here. So my layers are not reflecting here. So at any point in time I create something, I should be able to see that layer or that object here. So in seeing that layer there, it allows me to be able to apply enhancements on it using the Daydream. So once I select it, I can simply copy my tool, my prompt here. So I have a quick prompt here, and okay, so select it, then I input enhancement prompt, then I click on this guy, on this button. So the problem now is that because I can't see this, because editor is not seeing this, and so it's not reflect on this layer here. So I cannot trigger this operation at this moment. So they are all tied together. So I can't do that. So I did that so that one can't prompt empty, make an empty prompt at any time. So instead of making empty prompts to the API, we rather need to have something to prompt. Yeah. So secondly, we have the generate image input and the control on the button here. So this button will let you, this input will let you prompt completely separate prompts. So it allows you to prompt from scratch. So, but unfortunately, this is not working now. So, I need to get a feedback now from, yeah, so generate field. So that's it. So you can see that there was a loader. So basically, the loader helps you to allows you to feedback to communication with the API, then brings this back. So that's the challenge. So I need to be able to work on this API properly. Get to make sure I need to get some technical aids in order to make this complete. So once I'm able to do that, I'm going to I'm going to complete this project and yeah, make it come to life. So thank you so much for this.